I'm going to teach you guys how to put a document on Google Docs or Google Drive, and then how to go ahead and share that with me. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. I want to make this as easy as possible for you guys. Okay, so on your own computer, you're either going to, I don't know, this is Chrome, but you might have Internet Explorer or Safari or Firefox or something. But anyway, I have Chrome open. You may or may not have to do this. Okay, just open up a browser. I'm going to open up a new tab, but on most browsers, I think you can just type what you want right into this bar here. But I already have a couple things open, so I'm going to open a new tab. And I'm going to take you guys over to Google Drive. You can either use Google Docs or Google Drive. It doesn't matter. I'm going to show you both. Okay, so the one you want is down here. It says drive.google.com. You can just click on that. Or you could type drive.google.com into your search bar up here like this. You could do that either way. Okay, when you get here, if you haven't used this before, this will all be blank. You won't have any files here, but you can go to New. Wait a second here. The page is still loading. I hit the button too soon. Okay, then you go to Google Docs. Let me show you that again. New, and then Google Doc. You don't have to hit this arrow. You can just go straight to here. And this will open a document for you. Okay. The first thing I want you to do when you get here is come up here. See these little arrows here? Well, it moved on me. It's right here. It says line spacing. It drops down. When I click on it, I can hit double. Okay, and then after that, I'm ready to type. So I can put my name, the date, and then the title. Oh, let me show you how to do this. For the title, you want it to be centered. So see this thing that says align? Pick the one that has everything in the middle here. And then this is my title. Okay. Now, when I hit enter, everything goes 2 lines down, which is what we want. Okay, I'm going to put it back on. Everything's over here on the left now on the align. Okay, and then you just start writing your story. Here is my little story about nothing. Maybe I should write about how to teach students about Google Docs. Okay, do you see how it double spaced right here? It's going to do that automatically for you because you went up here at the very beginning. Okay, and then you'll type up all 3 paragraphs. When you want to make a new paragraph, just hit enter and it'll take you to a new line. Otherwise, if you're just making a new sentence, keep typing where you are. There you go. All right, so what else am I going to tell you? Okay, you will, let me move this out of my way. To share this with me, you won't have this box here, of course, because you won't be watching a video. To share this with me, you're going to go to share. Oh yeah, we didn't name it. So let's name it my story. All right. And then you just put in my email address right here. amyleebell@hotmail.com. All right. It might, if you shared it with me before, it's going to come down in this drop box here. You can just pick it. Okay. And if it doesn't, just type in my email address and hit send. Now I have shared it with myself. Hooray. I'll be getting an email about that. So anytime you share anything with me, I'll get an email. Now, after I receive your assignment, I will be able to open it up and look at it. And let's say I wanted to make a comment on this. I can make a comment here. Let's see. Okay, so I told myself to put an exclamation point at the end. So when you guys get back into your files, you'll get to see the comments I left behind. So you'll come over here, you'll put an exclamation point at the end, and then you will mark this as resolved. See this little check mark here? You will just hit that and it goes away. All right, and that's how you'll know that you've done everything I've asked you to do. And you don't have to reshare it with me or anything. I'll be able to see every change you make. Once you share it with me one time, that's all that matters. Okay, I'm also going to show you guys how to get to Google Docs, but it won't matter. If you go to Google Drive, it's just as good. But in case you don't want to use Drive, you just type Google Docs in. It's the third one down. Or you can do what we did before and type docs.google.com into your search bar, either here or here. All right, so Google Docs. This one might be easier to use. There's less going on, I think. When you get here, all you have to do is hit blank. Now, if you guys don't have a Google account or if you're not signed in, you might have to sign up. I think almost everyone has a Google account though. If you go to blank, then you're back. It's exactly the same kind of thing that was going on before, okay? The document looks exactly the same. So everything's in the same place. You've got the double spacing here. You've got your alignment here. You've got your share button up here. So it really doesn't matter. You can either use Docs or Drive. Either way, it's going to get to me. Okay. I think that covers it, guys. If there's anything else you guys need to know, let me know. I can make another tutorial for you, or I can help you on Zoom or whatever you guys need. All right, I'll talk to you later. Now I got to figure out how to end this. All right, bye.